Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a poll in your Telegram. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log in into your Telegram app. So once you get there, you simply need to choose the group in which you want to set the poll or the questions. So I'm going to search for Elect TV. After which, this is it here. Once I'm here, I'll simply click on this icon button here. After which, I'll choose it poll. After that, you simply need to insert a question. So, where are you watching us from? So after that, you set an answer for that. So I'll set United States. I'm going to set Canada. I'm going to insert Cameroon and other countries. So once you're done with that, you simply need to click on what? Create. So guys, that's actually the way you create poll in Telegram account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.